Hey there, welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to pause and resume syncing in Google Drive for desktop. Now, you might be wondering why you would ever need to pause or resume syncing in Google Drive. Well, there are several situations where managing your sync settings can be a huge benefit. Maybe you're experiencing slow internet speeds and need to prioritize your bandwidth for other tasks. Or perhaps you want to temporarily stop syncing to prevent changes from uploading while you work on something important. Whatever your reason, knowing how to control your sync settings can really optimize your workflow. Let's dive into the details and explore how you can easily manage these settings. First, it's important to locate the Google Drive for desktop icon. If you're using a Windows PC, you can find this in the System tray, which is usually located at the bottom right of your screen. On a Mac OS, you'll find it on the menu bar at the top. The icon you're looking for resembles a triangle with the well-known Google colors, so it should be pretty easy to spot. Once you've found and clicked on this icon, a menu will appear. Look for the settings icon within this menu, which is represented by a gear symbol. Clicking on this gear icon will open up more options related to your syncing preferences. Now, if you decide that you need to pause syncing, perhaps because your internet is lagging or you need to focus your network resources elsewhere, you can simply select the option labeled Pause Syncing. By doing this, you will temporarily halt any background activities related to file uploads and downloads. This is particularly useful if you're in a situation where you need to manage your bandwidth carefully. However, it's essential to keep in mind that when you pause syncing, any recent changes you've made to your files will not be uploaded until you decide to resume syncing. So, be sure to consider this if you're working on important files that need to be updated. When you're ready to get your files syncing again, the process is just as straightforward. Go back to the same menu where you paused your sync. This time, instead of the pause option, you'll see an option that says Resume Syncing. Clicking on this will restart the synchronization of your files. It's worth noting that if you have a lot of files or many changes to catch up on, resuming sync might take a little time. So, be patient while everything gets back on track. In some cases, you might not immediately see the pause and resume options. If this happens, it could be due to needing an update. Make sure your Google Drive for desktop client is up to date, as having the latest version can resolve such issues. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your Google Drive syncing preferences with just a few clicks. By pausing and resuming syncing, you gain more control over when and how your files are updated, which can significantly improve your productivity and internet resource management. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to pause and resume syncing in Google Drive for desktop. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online so you never miss an update.